In today's video, we will go through a crazy makeover journey, transforming me from this to this, and finally, are you sure we're finished? This. Friends, as you can probably tell by my looks, this video is long overdue. But finally, it is time for me to get a proper haircut and grooming. You most likely realize that making dreadlocks look normal again is an extremely difficult task, even to an experienced hairdresser. But so that everybody would have a better time, of course except me, we're gonna let Liisu do it. She's never cut men's hair before. And yeah, let's just go ahead and look how silly will it be by the end of this, and also how many years will I lose when all of this is gone. Our project today takes place near a beautiful fjord here in Norway. And first, to properly start this mission, we need a game plan. Step 1, we are going to undo that braid and see how bad is the damage. Step 2, we're gonna film the intro to this video. Step 2 is already done. Success. Step 3, we are gonna go ahead and cut the dreadlocks to about this length and try to uncomb them. So that's gonna be the hardest part. It's gonna take the most time, and I hope it works, because other people with dreads have gone to bald before me. They looked better than me, and even they couldn't pull them off. Step 4, we're gonna let Liisu give me a haircut. Step 5, we're gonna get rid of this beard and see how many years will I lose. Let's get started. As you can probably understand, step 1 was going to be the easiest part of today's plan. I untangled the braids, and the only real danger here was that I might get a sudden urge to escape into the woods and find new friends among Animal Kingdom. But well, this didn't happen, and quite the opposite. Instead, I got emotional. Time to go.
Are you sad?
A little bit. Like, they've been with me for like 2 years. I've grown to be fond of them. Friends, as you can probably tell by my look. Oh yeah, second part of the mission was already done as well. What a great start to our mission, right? Right? Well, no. As the rough part was just beginning. Like this, the true transformation begun. One dreadlock after another, my head was getting lighter. Can't believe I'm doing this.
He's gone full rogue. Full rogue, he's gone.
Okay, not always one at a time. This part of the endeavor, cutting nearly 80 braids down to about 7 centimeter length, must have taken us a good 15 minutes. It's like an end of an era and I'm just cutting it off. And although I looked like taken straight out of a storybook, our moods were still good and we were ready for the challenge ahead.
Oh, I love myself a challenge, but I think it's gonna be harder than I thought.
I just now realized there's no more going back.
No.
We had only 2 options left. First being to make this haircut look presentable.
We are not making any progress. He's dancing half of the time.
And the second was the one I really wanted to avoid. Good thing we made a game plan, otherwise I would wanna quit. But next step is to try to get them loose, make them into real hair again. For the next step, I had to get some water to boil. I guess next part of the mission is gonna be quite messy, so I put on something I don't mind ruining. And God bless van life. If we lived in a real home, I could get the shower, wash them over there, but here out in the nature, I got a bucket. Yes, next part of the mission was to get my hair as soft and manageable as possible. Crazy Mango Solid Shampoo. That's our only tool to get them loose. I never thought I'd make a video about me washing my hair in a bucket. But here you go, you're welcome. Because trust me if I say it, untangling dreadlocks that are older than 1 year is a total nightmare. And these just come to show how hard getting those things on my head loose is gonna be. They're so tangled up. Next up, coconut oil. In our mind, the oil was going to make them easier to manage. But I really don't know if it actually worked. I think I'm gonna have to go bald. No. What followed were probably the most painful 2.5 hours of my life. One look at a time, we untangled my so-called haircut. If anyone wondering, then yes, I'm using a fork to untangle my hair. It's a rough job and you need like metal beads to get through there. And at the same time, pulled out nearly half as much of my hair.
That's the same amount of hair on the comb. Whee!
We got one loose. Barely any hair left. Yet, as time passed, I started developing ways to deal with the pain. Some of those ways were quite healthy, based on focusing my attention on the surrounding beautiful nature. Thank you for the distraction, Norway. Other things that I experienced with tried to hide pain with humor. I thought I'd look like a homeless person before, but I think now it's even worse.
I think it's very hard to get rid of the homeless person vibes here. We're working hard towards it, because if you have those short braids, then it looks like a haircut gone really, really wrong.
But by the end of it, I still went with a so-called medicine that many men use to cure headaches, heartaches, and sadly, even boredom. But this is for hydration purposes only. Not at all because I'm in so much pain that I need something to make it a little less painful. So let's just say it's grape juice. Might have gone bad.
Cheers.
Yet with Liisu's persistence and ability to ignore my whining, even the hardest part of this mission soon came to an end. Last stretch. About 2.5 hours of pain. But it's almost done. It feels weird to be able to like run my fingers through my hair, but I still look like a homeless person.
How to cut men's hair for beginners?
Yes, this is exactly how much experience Liisu had for the coming part.
Do that from back to front, front to back, however you feel comfortable.
And with the newfound confidence, step 4 begun. I'm honestly not too sure what happened during this step. From my vantage point, I simply heard Liisu's scissors go chick, 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 chick above my head, and the focused look in her eyes gave me confidence. She really seemed like someone who has done it hundreds of times before. Or well, at least until this thing happened. Are you sure we're finished? I told you I'm gonna be the only one who's not amused. But after a few more minutes hearing the scissors click, even this part of the mission came to an end, leaving us with only one thing still to accomplish. Yet before the final stretch, one more bucket shower. Second round of shampoo. I never thought in one video I'll show twice how I wash my hair. Sorry, you have to go through this with me. Can't believe we've gone through 4 steps of the mission. Only one left. Getting this here under control. And then it's time for the big reveal. I haven't used this beast in a long time. As you can guess, this part of the mission was actually very fun. Yes, the machine clogged up a few times. But being able to try new looks. And we're finished.
You're not getting you're not getting rid of it. I call for a divorce!
And sometimes even new personalities is just such a fun part of shaving. I am not 100% sure if we should end it here. My name is Rodrigo Vasquez.
You feel the same, but to me you look different.
No, my name is Ivar. Ivar the mustache. What are your thoughts about Ivar? Ivar the mustache. Alright, enough of the shenanigans. I will turn this machine on, and after that we're gonna have the big reveal. So I guess this is the end result. It feels weird. I just cut off a whole bag full of hair from myself and it's like light. There's nothing to scratch anymore and it's a new start, I guess. Let me know in a comment, what do you think? Was it better before or is it okay now as well? Or yeah, I feel a little bit weird. But anyways, we hope that you enjoyed this journey as much as we did. It was a fun day. And we'll see you back on this channel next Thursday with some more adventures from right here from Norway. Take care, my friends. Bye.
Yes, we will see you. Whatever you want.
Bye.